Hey everybody, we are going to can some turkey pot pie soup slash filling slash stew, whatever you end up using it for. You can eat it as a soup, you can use it to put into a pot pie, whatever you like. So I have turkey breast here that I diced up. And we're just going to get it white and turn it out. Pull it out. I have 3 carrots chopped up. I have 2 stalks of celery, a potato, an onion, and I'll be using some frozen peas. So we're just going to turn that white and pull it out. I don't want to simmer it any more than what it needs, but I don't want the sludge you get in the jars. Going to use some onion powder, about a teaspoon, same with garlic, teaspoon of salt, this is canning salt, and some pepper, stir that all up. I have clear gel. I'm going to mix a 1/4 cup of clear gel with some of my turkey stock. You can use powdered chicken stock, liquid chicken stock, whatever you have. Bouillon. It will work. So once this is all white, I'll be right back. Okay, we are removing our meat. Still has a little pink in it. It's not all the way done, but it won't put that stuff in your jars. Okay. So here I have a 1/4 cup of clear gel. I'm going to add two of these quarts of broth. Got a little whisk. I'm going to add part of this broth. Stir up the clear gel. Dissolve that. poured in. So I have about half of that jar left in case I need more clear gel. And we're going to bring this up to heat until it thickens. I have my canner warming back here with my jars in it. And just bring this up to a boil until it thickens. So when we get to that step, I'll be back. Okay, now I'm going to add my veggies. We are not going to cook these, we're just adding them. Going to add turkey back. Stir that up. I'm going to add some peas. And you can add milk, thicken it up more when you open it if you use it for pot pie. You can do this with chicken. You can make a beef. Do it with any meat you want. And season it with any flavors you like. Put these in the dishwasher and then we will start filling our jars. Got a big old bag of potatoes here. Going to dehydrate those. And this will probably thicken more in the canning process. And we're using everything hot because it's hot. And we will be filling these to 1 inch of headspace. Right now I'm just making sure I get the same amount of solids in each jar. Going to take some, well, let's debubble. Debubble. Vinegar. Always use vinegar with anything you're canning that has grease or meat. You don't want to not have a seal. And if you get a turkey this year, make sure you use every bit of that turkey you can. Make stock, soup, pot pie filling, whatever you want. Just can leftover turkey and broth, but squeeze every nickel out of that turkey. These will process for 90 minutes. They look pretty. I have you bent down so far you can't see. There's our I have a pint, and I may have a half a pint left. Okay, I'm going to make something else to add to the canner so it will be completely full. So we will process this shortly. actually got another pint, so I just added a jar of water to fill up the canner, and we will process this. Match up your bees. It's over here on this handle over there. My battery is getting ready to die. Okay, so that will pop up over there. You want steam to come out of here for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add your weight. When your weight starts to jiggle, start your timer for 90 minutes quarts, 75 minutes pints. See when they're coming out. Okay, our turkey pot pie soup slash filling slash whatever is ready. Had to make dinner. So it has cooled for a while. Okay. So there it is, kind of dark. Let's see. Does that help a little? So there it is. We've got 5 more jars for the shelf. So when you're, that's a shadow from the light. I don't know how to make it go away. There. Is that better? Still not coming up very good, but anyways, if you get a turkey this year for Thanksgiving or whatever, squeeze every dime out of it. That was just a small amount of turkey. I got 5 jars of food to put on the shelf. Make broth, make soups, make stews, everything with the leftovers. So I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.